So this video is about editing Mailchimp automation. So what we are going to do is basically the first thing is login into our Mailchimp account, and this is the username and password. I have it saved, which can be changed later on definitely. Now while logging in on a new device, what happens? The Mailchimp sends you an OTP first. And to avoid the hassle, for now I use my mobile number, which can be changed once logged in. So here is the option. You can also choose the option of verification code via email, and this email ID, NLP with NEHA, I think this is the email ID, and on this you will get the code. So I'm choosing this one, verification code via SMS. Send SMS code. I'll receive the SMS. Yeah, I've got it. 876515, and okay, so we are logged in. So this is the dashboard. Like every key thing you can see here and you can access from here. So what we are going to do right now is we already have some automations set, which we can see in the campaigns. So we go to all campaigns, and there we see that we have two campaigns which are running. So the first one, this is which says first mail to non-registered audience. So this campaign is for those people who have not registered with us, just the leads. Yeah. And the next one, registered automation. So this is for those people who have registered with us. Yeah. And this is the status of the campaign. It is right now sending. This one is also in sending mode. Here you can see how many people have opened the mail. Like this is right now showing in percentage 24%. But if you go like this, you can see. And clicks, you can see 2.4. And with the opens, you can also see the details here. So what we are going to do is we are going to first go on this little this button, and then we go on edit. So what we are doing here is we are editing one or more emails. The procedure remains the same. First we log in, go to the campaign, and then from the drop down we select the edit button. So before editing, we need to pause and then add it. So let's take the first email which we are going to edit. Pause and edit. So it's paused. It will not go. And then it is also showing when was the last time it was sent. Edited 2 weeks ago, right? So let's go on edit email, and then it will show all different things which we can add it in the email. So right now it is the design, but we can also change the email ID it is being sent from, a lot of different things. Right now I'm going on to the design part. So here is this pencil button or icon you can see, where if you click on this you can do the editing. So let's click on this, and then there is this, the editing part will open in here. Now it has opened, right? So this is the content which we have, and this is the tag which we are using for the first name. You can use the tag from here, like merge tags, and then you can select whichever tag, but it should be in the list as well. Like if you want to select, let's say list name, so if it is not there, it will not go like this. So in some cases, if somebody has not given their first name, it will leave it blank. Yeah. So now what we're going to do is we're going to change this price to 1750. Yeah, it's all done. What we do is save and close. So it's saved. We can see it here. If you want to see the preview, we can see the preview. See, Mailchimp is itself a different thing completely. Like there's so many things to learn in it, but right now we are just going to learn the editing of automation, or let's say editing of the existing running campaigns. So now we go to save and continue, and then yeah, it's done. What we can do is we can resume. So it will start going. Simple. Yeah. So you can choose any of these email. This is first one. Let's see if we have the price in the second one. I don't think so. We all only have in the first one. Yeah, we do not have in this one. So this is the part where we do all the editing. We do not touch this because these are certain settings which are already there. If somebody wants to unsubscribe, if somebody wants to change their preferences, whatever is there. So then save and continue. And what we can do is now it's resuming. Okay. A couple of more information. You can see here that the title of the email, the trigger point, when it will be sent, or let's say what action, what will trigger it or what will cause it to be sent out. So the trigger is immediately after somebody's, or let's say subscribed contacts join your audience. So the moment they get into your list, they get the email, and it is going every day, all day. And then we have set some filters. Filters is basically it will not go to people who have registered. Same filter is there in every email. Now this will go 2 days after the first one. This will go 1 day after, 1 day after, then every email is 1 day after the previous email. And if you want to add more email to this, what you can do, you can just go on add another email. Just go here, add another email, and you just need to select all these things. Trigger, the schedule, if you want to, filter, everything, or post send action. Whatever you want, you can just do that, right? Next. Let's see, automation email 7. Save and return to workflow. And then delete because we are not creating this. Delete. Okay, next, now we are going to resume the automation once we have done the changes. Exit, and we can confirm it in the campaigns menu that now it is being sent to the people, right? So this is the way you want to, if you want to add it, this is the way you add it. Okay, all right.